Are you struggling with hip pain, knee pain, popping pills all day, cannot stand the pain, and can't do anything about it? Then you are in the right place. If you want to learn how to find relief from pain by just eating foods that are good for your joints and cartilage, then you watch this video until the end. Hey, change makers, are you open to transforming into a healthy and a happy you? I am Rajitha Bommakanti, registered nurse, faith-based holistic coach, and founder of Healthy You Lifestyle Center. If you want to develop healthy habits for life, one step at a time, then click the red subscribe button and the bell icon now. Chronic pain is caused by arthritis that affects millions of Americans. It is the most frequent cause of physical disability among older adults. What is arthritis? It is the inflammation of one or more joints, causing pain and stiffness caused by inflammation. Osteoarthritis that most of us suffer from is the loss of cartilage in the joints with prominent inflammatory components. If the loss of cartilage is caused by inflammation, then how about consuming anti-inflammatory diet that can help lower your inflammation and also relieve you from pain, and at the same time avoiding all the foods that cause inflammation in your joints? That would be nice. Let's look at a study, the China study, that showed serious health problems with high consumption of pro-inflammatory foods and low consumption of anti-inflammatory foods. So let me ask you a question now. What type of anti-inflammatory foods do you include in your diet? Tell me in the comments below, and continue watching this video until the end to learn about foods that you can include in your diet that will reduce your inflammation and give you pain relief. The foods that help you with your joint pain and the cartilage. What are those anti-inflammatory foods that we talked about that needs to be reduced in the diet? Those are meat, dairy, fatty foods, and all types of packaged foods. Then what is an optimal nutrition to lower your inflammation? Those foods are whole grains, vegetables, fruits, beans, split peas, chickpeas, and lentils, all natural foods. The standard American diet contributes to low-grade systemic inflammation and oxidative stress. And also, it causes irritation, putting that your immune system in an overactive state all the time, which can lead to arthritis. So what type of foods are good for your joints and cartilage? It is plants, natural plants, very easy to find in your supermarket. They include phytonutrients in them. They can help decrease the degradation of that joint cartilage, and also the inflammatory activity that's going on in your body. It reduces your cell death and also oxidative damage that causes that's caused by eating pro-inflammatory foods, and which is basically standard American diets. So I want to ask you, there is this spice, I'm sure you have heard about it, this yellow spice. What is that? Turmeric. What is the significance of this turmeric? Let's look at a study on that. Clinical studies have resulted after giving two groups of foods. One group got turmeric and the other got medications, that anti-inflammatory medications. And after the study was done, it has shown significant improvement in pain and also inflammation in the group that had turmeric in them. And also that group has increased their walking distance. They almost doubled it compared to the group that took anti-inflammatory drugs and painkillers. This turmeric group was also able to significantly reduce their drug consumption, the side effects, and the swelling and the hospitalizations from inflammation of their joints. And also, you can also include nuts and mushrooms to the list of the foods that are good for your joints and cartilage. Download my free anti-inflammatory list of foods that are good for your joints and cartilage. I am your faith-based holistic coach. Until next time, include more of anti-inflammatory foods into your diet so that you can find relief from all the joint pains and improve the strength of your joints.